Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Justin with another video. Of course, it's another unboxing. We got one box and then we have this gigantic box. It is soaking wet, by the way. But we're just gonna go and jump right into it. These are the new headlights and the grill headlight housings and stuff like that. Already opened it, so we're just gonna jump right into it. So I'm gonna put you guys down for a sec. Take these out of the box. I did already open up one of them just to make sure I knew what I was opening up here, but start with this one. I think these are the headlights, not the turn signal ones. Nice layer of foam and bubble wrap, sweet. I did not know they actually come with bulbs because I did end up buying LED. So unless these aren't LED, I will be putting those ones in. But so far they look good. They feel a little flimsy. Like, I know I just did the tail light ones, and that plastic on those ones, that one felt good. These ones definitely, you could tell they're a little cheaper. I think I paid like 98 bucks for these on Amazon, but I think they're gonna look good. Alright, so I don't even need scissors for this box because this box is soaking wet. I can literally just tear it. It was in the back of the bed, as you've seen in the last previous videos. But this is the grill. I did order a new bow tie for it, so hopefully that comes in soon. It's like on back order for some reason. Take it out of the bubble wrap. It does have a little protective plastic wrap on it. I'm gonna leave it on, but this is it. Nothing really much to it. It's brand new. I think I got it for like 120, 150 bucks. Well worth it. If you're gonna replace it, just buy it new. It will save you time, money. I seen a guy on Facebook Marketplace selling one for like 130 bucks that had like a crack screw hole and it was chipping the chrome. So just buy the new one. I'll link it in the description below. Let's just go outside now and put it on the truck. What's going on, guys? So we're gonna go ahead and take this grill off, got the new one finally in, and we're just gonna replace it, put the new lights in, put the LED bulbs in, and it's gonna make this front end look so much better. So this is it before. You can tell this grill definitely needs replaced. I might keep this bow tie just as like a little memory or something. So as you guys can see, mine is broken, so we're going to be using a 9/32 to take these clips off. Took the passenger side off, and then there's one right here. Got that one off. Put it to the side, and this grill, it's falling apart, so it should come out pretty easy. So once you get the grill to this point, this one you basically twist it, pull out. So to get the bulbs out, all you gotta do is just squeeze it and twist it. Twist it. Just like that. Now that we got the grill out, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. I got a new one, so no point of keeping it. It's held in by just a couple screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. So after we take out those 5 screws, this thing should just pick up. Kind of wedged in there, but and just like that, got this piece out. And then I'm gonna go and put the new one in. So here's the new one. I got it off Amazon as well. So I'm just gonna put it back in and then bolt all the 5 bolts right up to it. So I got this black strip in, 5 bolts in. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take out this passenger side headlight housing. It's held in by a bolt there, 2, 3, 4 bolts. I think pretty sure they're 10 mil or 11 mil actually. So 11 mil, 4 volts. So I got the 4th one out. So now this comes out, and now I'm just gonna unplug the headlights. So they're just held in, kind of dark, but just a little clip. You just want to get like a screwdriver or something, pop those off, and then the new one should come with new light bulbs. So you don't have to worry about taking out the whole light bulb assembly. Just take a clip out. So now I got both clips out, both unplugged, fish them through. That's kind of hard to see, but and now this thing is junk. I am not keeping these and I'm not selling them. So just throw them in the trash, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the new ones up. I actually ended up going with LED light bulbs. So taking out the stock ones, I came with the light. So now we're in the step of putting in the LED light bulbs that I got. So this is one of them, and then here's the other one. They're high beam and low beam LED. Definitely be able to see at night, especially how clear these lenses are. But it's pretty simple. All you do is just, I'm gonna grab it firmly and then twist it. And then comes right out. I will save these just in case these ones don't work or something. Comes right out. And you can tell they're color coordinated with each other. So that one, red one with the red one. We'll do this one first. So you put it in and twist it. And then that's in place. Same thing with the blue one. Put it in. And just like that. So now they're both in on this side. And you can see the bulb right there. I kind of want to make them straight. Don't look good, I don't think, but yeah, that's definitely how you put them in. Hopefully they don't, or hopefully they do work. We'll see. So I got them both straight. I guess you can say that's the OCD in me, but both straight. But this one's a little bit loose, so I'm gonna go on the back and then just tighten up those screws, and then these are ready to actually be installed. It did end up getting dark on me, so I'm gonna have to use my phone as a flashlight. But now we're ready to install those new lights after putting in the LEDs. Pretty simple, just 4 bolts, and let's go. So after you get the 4 bolts in, it's installed. You can tell so much better compared to that. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn them on and do a light comparison real quick. Here's a little light comparison real quick. You can just tell so much better. LED'd. Non-LED, and you can just tell by the snow. You can't even tell that this one's on. But let's go ahead and finish this job up. Alright guys, so the next day we're here. The weather is a lot better outside, but the grill is in for now. I'm still waiting on these parts for these like screws that go in here to put the actual lenses on there, but this is what it looks like. Looks so much better, drives so much better at night, and it was very easy to put in. I gotta readjust the headlights and everything, but I just love it. It looks so much better, especially with the LEDs. Whenever you do buy this kit, make sure I'll link the screws down below, but here I'll show you guys in the truck.
Well, I guess there's always a debate though, right?
Turn that down, but so you have these things that go on the side, and there's like certain kind of screws that you need to put in, and it didn't come with them, so I got to buy them online. So I'll just link those down. So if you want to buy this grill or whatever with the light housing, just buy the screws so you can just do it all in one. I'm still waiting for them, so until they come in, I can't put them on. So we do have a new video coming soon, but my GoPro deleted it, so we're just gonna do a review of those. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching the channel and everything. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one.